stopped here at the Bimini Bait Shack Tiki Bar and Grill, Fort Myers. We'll just stop in here for lunch. Check this little place out.
My mother's house like that. We built back in 2010. I think we bought the house. And all of a sudden, my house is fine. I would be all in our mind.
Got outside seating, got inside seating, overlooking the water. And over there, in yonder, is Fort Myers Beach. Look at that. We're going to head over after lunch. We're going to head over to this bridge over here to Sanibel Island. We're going to walk out on the beach, try to find some shells and some shark teeth. Maybe do a little metal detecting. But let's first eat our lunch. Oh, check that out. They got a band right above the bar. That's pretty cool. Wonder if they're going to play something for us for lunch. Check this out. We got a band up top for the bar. And we got a fish tank. Pretty cool. And we got this guy taking up my space. Oh. And look at this contraption here. You want to leave the band a tip? He cranks it, and the tip goes up there, and he gets their tip. Pretty cool. Hey, this is a pretty cool place. If you're in the area, come on in, check it out. I'll let you know how the food is. And look at that. He's got Ginger, Gilligan, and Marianne as backup singers. And another thing at the bar, besides the unique fish tank, they got swings. You can actually sit on a swing at the bar. They have several of them. Pretty cool. Okay, if you know what this means, then go ahead and leave it in the comments, because we're sitting here trying to figure it out. We're going to ask, but leave it in the comments if you already know. All right, we just got our burgers. Check this out. What? That's a good sized cheeseburger right there. Hey, let's dig in. Falling apart. That's good. Falling apart, but that's good. Look at this, they even have a raw bar. All oyster shells. I wonder who ate all them. Not me. You know, this is their restroom. Their mirror. Look at their sink. And check out the urinal. Pretty cool. All right, we're out of here. All right, hey, that was a good meal. It's a cute little place. I was talking to the server, and she said this is a good time of year to come. During the peak season, she said there's like an hour wait. So, as you can see, it wasn't very crowded. But, hey, I also had to patronize. I bought me a hat. This will match all my shirts that I wear. So if you're in the area, hey, come on by, check the place out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. All right, let's move on. I think we're moving on down the road to Sanibel Island and walking the beach. Let's go. Well, we stopped off as soon as we came over the bridge. We seen this little beach area and we figured let's get out and walk it and we'll see what the water. Let's go put our feet in the water. Huh? Yeah. But this is not even really sand. It's just a bunch of crushed shells. Check it out. Look at it. Just a bunch of crushed shells. I go out here and feel the water. Looks dirty. But I believe it might be brackish water. Let's see. Oh, the water's warm. Yeah. Yeah, water's warm. All right.
Fish.
Fish. Fish. She says fish. Oh, there goes her flip-flop floating away.
Oh no, I lost the fish.
Okay.
Over here.
Where are they at?
Going that way.
Oh, we're not going to see them. So this is the first little public beach right off the bridge going into Sanibel Island. We're over here at the Lighthouse Beach Park, and remember, it says please remember to pay for your parking. It's a $150 fine if you don't pay, but if you have a valid handicap permit, there's no fee. So let's go check out this beach. Might have to put my swim trunks on. This is a nice beach. Huh, I might have to break out my metal detector here. Oh yeah. And there is the lighthouse. We'll go take a walk. As soon as the ladies catch up to me, we'll take a walk and look at the lighthouse. It survived many of hurricanes. Well, now we are headed to the Bubble Room. Now, never heard of this place. Somebody recommended it. Cousin, they recommended that if we come down to Sanibel Island, we got to go visit and get dessert at the Bubble Room. So that's what we're doing. Let's go in and check this place out. Looks pretty unique. Hold on. I mean, this looks pretty unique. It's almost like Storybook Land in New Jersey.
Did you fall? What'd you do?
Let's go out and take a look at the front of this place. Let's see. I don't know what that is. What is that, like a candy shop?
That's the Emporium.
Oh, I have no idea what that is. There's nothing big about the front of this place.
Maybe that's the store.
Look.
I got that.
Cocktails, Bubble Room, Captivia Island. Lunch and dinner.
Hello, how are you?
All right.
Doing well, thank you. Dining with us tonight?
Dessert.
These are.
Dining dessert or your desserts to go?
Dining dessert.
All right, so how many?
Great.
All right, right this way, please.
This place is awesome.
Okay.
I'm a little larger than you thought. You guys are back there. Excuse me.
I can't say living large. That's awesome. I was told your cakes were awesome.
That's what we're known for.
Yes. My cousin in Orlando told me I had to come here if I was going to Fort Myers.
That's awesome. You said we'll be with you guys shortly. Enjoy, mamas.
Thank you.
This is pretty awesome. Look at the tables.
I know, aren't they cool?
Glass tables with memorabilia in them. Every table. That's cool. All right, let's get some dessert.
Glad you guys made it in. I heard we're just doing some cake today.
So dessert.
All right.
Dinner.
Yeah, I love that.
We just ordered our dessert. You gotta look at this. We got chocolate,
I'm not got enough room for all this.
orange crunch,
Thank you so much. Appreciate
and
it.
New York.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna try the orange crunch first. That's real good. I really like that. Yeah, that's really good. All right, I'm gonna try the chocolate now. Carol, what did you think of the chocolate?
Awesome.
If I can get it off my plate.
You need help?
Nope. I can do this with one hand. Here's the chocolate.
That's good.
I think I like the orange better.
I haven't tasted that one yet.
All right. I'm gonna try this New York cheesecake. Here's the New York cheesecake.
Let's try another knife.
Okay. They can have the chocolate and the cheesecake. I'm gonna kill that orange crunch. That's awesome.
Knife.
Oh, they have an upstairs also,
Upstairs.
and they have a more upstairs. Oh, but look, it's roped off. We can't go upstairs. But they have a bar. Wow. This is the sit-down bar. I don't know what else is upstairs, but you can't go up there.
Beacon.
They have another sitting room here. You got people sitting in there, so I'm not gonna go there. And they have a little Christmas room. Oh, look at that. How cool. Oh, that place was amazing. I really like the orange crunch cake. Didn't care for the other stuff, but the atmosphere and that, the bubble room, it's childish, but it was awesome. It was awesome. Now, if you want ice cream, then you got to go to that building over there, and that's the dessert house. So it's all affiliated. So the dinner and dessert cakes and stuff like that they're really known for is in the bubble room. The ice cream over here. So, all right, we're keep moving. I don't know where we're heading next, but we're heading somewhere. Follow along. Well, that kind of wraps up our day at Sanibel Island. Just in time, too, because it's coming down in buckets. Hey, but we had a great day. We seen a beautiful sunset. We walked on some beautiful beaches. We ate at Bubbles room, which was pretty cool, you know. And oh, don't forget, in the beginning of the video, bikini something or other. Yeah, I forget what it was. But that was a really cool place. So hey, stay tuned. See where we're heading up tomorrow. I have no idea where we're going to wind up tomorrow. So hit that subscribe, hit the notification, and make sure that you check out the next video. All right. Hey, thanks for watching Adventures with Pawpaw, and I'll see you on the next adventure.